Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website and start earning money from it. Whether you're looking to sell products, offer services, or build a community around your expertise, Wix provides all the tools you need to turn your website into a revenue-generating platform. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head to your website or project's dashboard by clicking on the Wix icon on the top left part of your screen. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your sites and projects. From here, you can preview all the sites and projects you currently have. To start a new website, simply click on the plus sign Create New Site button on the top right part of your screen. This opens up the site creation flow where you'll make some important decisions about how you want to build. You'll now be prompted on how you wish to build your website. Wix gives you three main options. You can start from a blank canvas, choose from a template, or use a site structure with AI. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a template since we want to focus more on the monetization side of building a website rather than design from scratch. Go ahead and click on the template option. Now, you'll see a library of professionally designed templates. Simply select the template you wish to use, something you can incorporate with the line of business you have or the services you offer. Take your time browsing through the options because choosing the right template can save you a lot of design work later. Once you've found one that fits your vision, hover your cursor over it and click on Edit. You will now be directed to your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, but since this topic is more focused on earning money, let's get straight to the monetization features. Start by adding a store to your website. Click on the Add App icon located on the left navigation menu of your editor. From here, you'll see a list of all the apps you can use and integrate with your website to customize and build up your business. In the search bar, type in Wix Stores. This is an e-commerce type of element you can use and add to your business. Wix Stores allows you to sell physical products, digital downloads, or even services directly from your website. You can manage inventory, process payments, and handle shipping all within the platform. This is perfect if you have products to sell or plan to dropship items. Another powerful option for earning money would be starting a blog. Use the search bar again and type in Wix blog. From here, you can start building a community or an audience, focusing on selling subscriptions to either coaching, fitness, tech kind of blogs, or any niche you're passionate about. You can sell e-books and courses to earn money or start posting ads on your blog and affiliate links. Blogging is a long-term strategy that can generate passive income once you build up your audience and traffic. Both of these tools, Wix Stores and Wix Blog, give you real pathways to monetization. You can even combine them to maximize your earning potential by selling products and building authority through content at the same time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.